Hey everyone, in this video I wanted to answer if Coca-Cola or Verizon is the better dividend stock to buy right now. Of course, to answer that question, I'm going to look at some financial metrics and compare them across these two excellent dividend stocks, and then I'll answer which one is the better dividend stock to buy. So let's get right into it. Starting with the dividend yield comparison. Verizon offers investors a dividend yield of 7.46%, compared to Coca-Cola, which offers investors a dividend yield of 3.02%. So each of the companies offering a strong dividend yield, with Verizon, of course, more than double the dividend yield of Coca-Cola. The next metric I wanted to compare these two on is revenue over trailing 12 months. And the revenue for each of these companies has been flat over the decade, Verizon showing modest growth. But the difference in scale is really apparent here when you see Verizon at revenue of 136 billion compared to Coca-Cola with trailing 12-month revenue of 43.5 billion. So a much bigger company is Verizon compared to Coca-Cola. The next thing I wanted to look at is their operating profit margins over the trailing 12 months. And in this metric, Coca-Cola demonstrates incredible skill here in raising their operating profit margin from around 22% in 2014 all the way up to 27.6% most recently. Very respectable, very good profit margin there. Verizon, not too shabby either, at an operating profit margin of 22.2%. So each of these two dividend stocks boasts an excellent operating profit margin. The final thing I wanted to compare before making the decision on which one is the better dividend stock to buy is valuation. And I chose to use the forward price to earnings ratio. And judging by this metric, Coca-Cola at a forward PE of 21 is more expensive than Verizon at a forward PE of 7.5. However, in this rare case, I'm siding with the much more expensive company. Typically, I like to go with lower priced companies unless the other company has shown justification to have the premium valuation. And in my opinion, Coca-Cola deserves the premium valuation over Verizon because I believe Coca-Cola's prospects over the next decade or two are better than Verizon's prospects, specifically its competitive advantage. I believe it will be harder for any business to encroach on Coca-Cola's market share compared to Verizon's ability to protect its market share, as is being demonstrated right now by T-Mobile. T-Mobile is making very strong inroads against both Verizon and AT&T. Sorry, Coca-Cola's is better than Verizon, and primarily for that reason, I am willing to pay the higher valuation for Coca-Cola dividend stock right now. So that's my choice. Coca-Cola over Verizon as the better dividend stock to buy. But that's all I've got for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I want to thank the Motley Fool for sponsoring this video. Visit fool.com/Parkev for the 10 best stocks to buy now.